And that's the wrap, guys. I am done painting my $1,000,000 closet. Now, there are a few tips I want to give you if you are painting for the first time and you're not familiar with painting. Now, I'm no pro painter, right? I have just learned by doing. I know color combination, I know color theory. I know that very well, right? Because that was a part of my training, and that is what a part of what I do now. However, just by painting, I have learned a few things. And one of the things you want to look out for when you are planning to paint your wall is to make sure of the type of paint that you are painting over. Now, if it is oil paint, you will have a problem if you put latex over it. So one of the ways to check the type of paint is to get a cotton swab or any white piece of cloth and dab it with either a little nail polish remover or alcohol and rub it on the wall. If it comes off, it's latex. If it doesn't come off, it's oil paint. And you need to know that before you purchase your paint, right? So when you go to purchase your paint, I would suggest purchasing a paint that is a paint plus primer, right? Paint plus primer, which will make your job easier for you. Sometimes it says it's a one coat, but depends on your wall. You may have to put more than one coat, and if you're starting from bare drywall, then you have to make sure that the wall is primed, right? Now, talking about painting more than one coat, one of the things that can cause you to have to paint more than one coat is the brush that you use. Now, make sure when you are choosing your brush, you look for a brush that is good with the type of paint that you're using, and so that will make your job easier, right? Now, also look for a brush that's wider like this, so that it doesn't take you more time to get your job done. And you may want to have an angle brush. I didn't use an angle brush. I did it without an angle brush, but you may want to have an angle brush available also. One other important thing that you need to do is to prepare before you start painting. So make sure you get your painter's tape so you can tape out areas that you don't want to get painted in the process of painting your walls. And put down a drop cloth. I just used a mat and went around the closet. If you buy a water-based paint and you are putting it on the wall and you have to be pressing in too much, it's that thick, then maybe you want to consider putting a little water in there and mixing it. Now, you can also cover the lid and carefully give it a strong shake to mix the water in with the paint. That's fine. It helps the paint to go on so much easier. So I hope the little tips I've given you just by learning as I did will help you with your next printer painting project, because I know there are probably some professional painters out there thinking, but sometimes, you know what, you learn by doing, and maybe that's the best case scenario, to learn by doing. Where there's a will, there's a way. So go get it. You can paint it. Go get it, paint it, and save yourself some money. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Happy New Year. All the best in 2024. I'm so looking forward to sharing more with you guys. Thank you for your support. Please go ahead, hit that subscription button if you have not yet subscribed, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now, drop your thoughts and comments below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Also, share and like, every share, every like, every comment. Put the video in front of more people, right? Because the algorithm picks up the video, the more engagement the video gets. So please guys, go ahead, share the video, like the video, comment on the video, and sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next video.